So there is a question they have asked which one is true. Okay, first point, if processes arrive, it should be processes, okay, not one process. Processes arrive in increasing order of their burst time. Using FCFS policy to schedule them will always result in minimum average waiting time. We know that minimum average waiting time, this particular thing we can achieve only when we are going with the SJF policy or SRTF policy. So if they are asking that it is SJF policy and all the processes are arriving in the order in which all the burst time are in increasing order, that means whatever the process will be scheduled, that particular process will always have the minimum burst time, and after that whatever the process arrived, that particular process will have the minimum burst time of all, just because after that whatever the process have been arrived, all those processes will have more more burst time. So the thing is, if I'll take a simple example, let's say in this particular order processes are coming, okay, so I am just writing burst time of each process: 2, 3, 8, 15, 20, 24 or something. Then this particular process should be given CPU first, just because it is having burst time very less and it has arrived first according to the FCFS policy. So this first point is correct. If processes are arriving in increasing order of their burst time, then FCFS will always give minimum average waiting time. Even though if we will use the SRTF, we cannot use SRTF in this, just because all the processes which are arriving are having more burst time than the previous one. Second thing is static priority scheduling is a starvation fee. It is not true, just because we know that if priority is not changing, then there may be a process which is having least priority and it can wait for longer time. That's why we have added a new scheme, that is aging, in which we have invented or implemented dynamic priority scheduling, in which scheduling, in that particular scheduling, the priority will be changing after some period. So this particular option second or point second is false. Point third, round robin schedule is designed for time sharing systems. Yes, it is correct. This is the basic requirement for round robin scheduling or for time sharing system. So the first and third are correct. So according to this, option A is the correct one.